Hey, don't scroll. Give me just 60 seconds, because the English you learn today will help you survive in any big city in the world.
Yes, if you ever visit New York, London, Toronto, Sydney, or Dubai, today's English will save you.
This video is different. No boring grammar, no confusing rules, only real city English with real conversations that you can use today.
And one request. Don't skip this video. If you skip even one line, you will miss the exact sentence that could help you talk to strangers, ask for help, order food, or survive your first day in a big city.
So watch from beginning to end, because every minute will make your English better, faster, and more natural.
Ready? Let's start your daily routine English.
Good morning. Which train goes downtown?
Platform 2. Next train in 3 minutes.
Thank you. And how do I buy a ticket?
Use the ticket machine. You can pay with card or cash. Choose your destination first.
Oh, okay. So I select downtown and then tap my card.
Yes, that's it. Simple.
Excuse me, is this the right platform for Central Square?
Yes, it is. Just follow the signs. The train will arrive in 2 minutes.
Thank you. People here move so fast.
Don't worry. After a few days, you'll match the pace.
Many teaching pause, 5 seconds.
Excuse me, which train goes to...
Excuse me, which train goes to Central Square?
Asking directions on street.
I'm still learning my way around. Every street looks the same.
Use your map for the first few days. And if you're confused, just ask.
Excuse me, can you tell me where Main Street is?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the coffee shop.
Thank you so much. This city is huge.
Big cities feel big, but little conversations make them smaller.
What if I accidentally walk in the wrong direction?
Stop, check your map, or politely ask, "Excuse me, am I going the right way to Main Street?"
Excuse me, am I going the right way to...
Mini teaching pause. 5 seconds. Repeat.
Excuse me, am I going the right way to Main Street?
Perfect. Always polite, always confident.
Perfect. Always polite, always confident.
Coffee shop.
Good morning. What can I get started for you?
1 latte, medium size, hot. Do you take card?
Yes, we do. That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you. How long will it take?
About 2 minutes. You can wait at the counter.
Great. I like how calm this line is. People don't push.
Big cities follow the no disturbance rule in lines.
Good rule. I like it. Many teaching pause, 5 seconds.
1 latte, please. Medium size. Hot. Do you take card? 1 latte, please. Medium size. Hot.
Street observation, small. People here look so busy. Everyone is walking so fast.
Yes, that's the city rhythm. But you can still talk to people politely.
Like what?
Try, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "Where is?" Simple and polite.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest bookstore.
Sure, go straight 2 blocks and then turn right.
Thank you very much. Wow, people are helpful here.
See, one polite question goes a long way.
Many teaching pause, 5 seconds. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for...
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest café.
Alex notices a street performer playing music. I wonder if I can ask them a question too. Shopping groceries. Excuse me, do you have fresh apples?
Yes, aisle 5, on the left.
How much per kilo?
$3.50.
I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Sure, anything else?
Yes, do you have bottled water?
Of course, aisle 3, next to the juices.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh, do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Many teaching pause 5 seconds.
Excuse me, do you have... How much is... I'll take...
Alex notices a special offer sign.
Taking a taxi. Hi, can you take me to Central Park, please?
Sure, hop in.
How much will it be approximately?
Around $12, depending on traffic.
Perfect, thank you. Could you take the faster route?
Of course, I know a quicker way.
Great. First time in the city, a little nervous.
Stay calm, smile, and speak slowly. That's the city confidence.
Park. Relaxation. This park is amazing. So calm compared to the city streets.
Even in big cities, there are quiet corners for relaxation.
Can I sit here?
No problem. Go ahead.
Or I could also say, is this seat taken?
Exactly. Polite, simple, effective.
Is this seat taken? Thank you. I feel calm already.
Alex notices someone jogging with a dog and looks curious.
Street booth vendor. Hello. 1 hot dog, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you. Do you take card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
How much is it?
$3.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Ordering food is easy if you speak politely and clearly.
I'd like, please. Do you take card? Or, how much is... Alex sees a street musician nearby. It's so crowded today. Everyone is in such a hurry.
Yes, but the weather's nice. Makes the crowd more pleasant.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, first week in the city. It feels exciting and a little overwhelming.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Just keep asking polite questions if you're unsure.
That's a good tip. Thank you.
I'm Bella. Nice to meet you. Are you new here?
Hi, how much for these?
$15.50 total.
Can I pay with card?
Yes, swipe here.
Thank you. Do you need my ID too?
No, just the card is fine. Shopping English is easy if you ask politely and clearly. How much is... Can I pay with card? Do you need my ID? Alex sees a special offer sign and thinks about asking.
Maybe I should ask if this discount still works. Library. Information desk. Excuse me, where is the English learning section?
Second floor, to the right. Take the stairs or the elevator.
Thank you very much. Do I need a library card?
No, you can read here without a card. Only borrowing books requires one.
Many teaching pause 5 seconds.
Where is... Do I need... Thank you very much.
Alex sees another student struggling to find a book.
Taking the subway back. Which platform goes to Uptown?
Platform 1, train in 5 minutes.
Thank you. Is this train always this crowded?
Yes, during rush hour. Best to come a bit early if you want a seat. Notice how Alex asks politely and observes. This is city confidence.
Good morning. I'm here for the meeting.
Name, please.
Alex Thompson.
Okay, welcome. You can wait in the lobby.
Thank you. Is the meeting room far from here?
No, just a short walk from the lobby.
Always polite. Small questions make city life easier.
I'm here for... Is the place far from here? Alex notices a colleague looking lost.
Oh no, I dropped my wallet. What should I do?
Stay calm. Approach someone politely. For example, "Excuse me, I think I lost my wallet. Can you help me?"
Excuse me, I think I lost my wallet. Can you help me?
Stay calm. Speak slowly. This shows confidence in emergencies.
Excuse me, I think I lost my wallet. Can you help me?
Alex sees a familiar barista coming out with a small wallet.
Thanks for helping me today. The city feels less scary now.
That's what English conversation does. It opens doors.
I hope we meet again.
We will. Big cities look big, but conversations make them small.
Practice daily, be polite, be confident. Enjoy your city life.